Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna and I'm here to guide international dentists on their journey toward becoming licensed in the United States. Today's video is all about planning your advanced denting program timeline. Whether you're already prepared or starting from scratch, I'll show you how to map out a realistic plan that works for your unique situation. We'll explore two case studies, one for someone who's well prepared and ready to apply soon, and another one for someone just starting out. I'll also share optional timelines based on whether you already have a US-based experience or need to build it from scratch. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of how to approach the process and set yourself up for success. Stick around for some exciting resources at the end, including a free cheat sheet and a comprehensive guide to the advanced denting program's process. Let's dive in. Applying to advanced denting programs is a detailed and time-intensive process. From registering for exams to organizing your documents, everything takes time. The application cycle typically opens in March, and submitting early can significantly improve your chances of getting interviews because most schools have rolling admissions. Depending on where you're starting, your journey could take anywhere from 12 to 18 months or even longer. Let's break this down with two examples to show how timelines can vary based on your level of preparation. Let's take a look at the case study. Our prepared applicant with the name Alex. Alex graduated 2 years ago and has stayed active in dentistry since then. He has already taken the TOEFL with a score of 110 and have strong clinical knowledge. Alex only needs a refresher to prepare for the INBDE and already has his transcripts ready for credential evaluation. Here is how Alex could approach the timeline in his situation. In January, he registers for a dent pin. In February-March, completes credential evaluations, which can take from 4 to 6 weeks to complete. In April through May, he registers for the INBDE and begins a 3-month focused review using resources like INBDE Bootcamp or Dr. Ryan's Academy. In July, he takes the INBDE and passes on the first attempt, and from August to October, he prepares personal statement, secures letters of recommendation, and organizes documents for CAAPID. In October, he finalizes all the additional documents and requirements for the school to make sure he is prepared for CAAPID. And in March, when CAAPID opens up, he submits the application early in the cycle. April-June, he starts receiving invites to the interviews and batch tests. Because Alex is well prepared, his process takes around 12 months, allowing him to apply early and maximize his chances. Now let's take a look at the other example. Priya, she's starting from scratch, applying to dental schools. So Priya graduated 8 years ago and hasn't practiced recently. She needs to improve her clinical knowledge, take the TOEFL, and gather all required documents. Priya also wants to gain some US-based experience to strengthen her application, which is very important. Here is how Priya's timeline can look like. In January, she will register for the dent pin and start gathering transcripts from her dental school. In February-March, she will submit documents for credential evaluations, begin TOEFL preparation using resources like Noteful and EDS official tests. In April through May, she will take the TOEFL, score around 95 on her first attempt, and retake it in June to achieve 103. June through August, she will register for the INBDE and begin her 6-month study plan using INBDE Bootcamp, Mental Dental, and other supplemental resources. From December to January, she will take and pass the INBDE, and from February to March, she will prepare her personal statement, letters of recommendation, and application materials to submit her CAAPID application in mid-March. From April to August, she will start receiving invites to the interview and bench tests. Priya's journey takes closer to 18 months, but with careful planning and persistence, she'll be able to successfully complete all the steps. Now let's talk about US-based experiences like shadowing, volunteering, or attending preceptorship programs. These can significantly boost your application, but they require time and planning. If you already have US experience, you are in great position. Focus on collecting documentation such as letters of recommendation or proof of hours of work. This should take a few weeks to organize. But if you need to gain US experience, allocate 3 to 6 months at least for this step. Start reaching out to dentists and clinics early on. Don't hesitate to email multiple places and follow up if you don't get a response right away. Prioritize shadowing opportunities that can lead to strong letters of recommendation. Balancing US-based experiences with exam preparation can extend your timeline, so adjust accordingly if this step is necessary. Now that we've seen these examples, let's summarize how to plan your timeline. Assess your starting point. Are you well prepared like Alex or starting fresh like Priya? Work backwards from CAAPID's opening date. For a March submission, aim to complete exams and document preparation by January or February. Adjust for US-based experience. If you need to gain it, add 3 to 6 months to your timeline and start early. Aiming for 12 to 18 months gives you enough flexibility to handle unexpected delays. Everyone's journey is unique, but with proper planning, anyone can succeed. To help you get started, I offer one-on-one consultation, personalized to guide you through your specific situation. Check the description for details. Also, download my free cheat sheet with quick links and summary of this process. And there is also a comprehensive guide with more detailed resources, including prep materials and access to exclusive groups. Check out my full guide linked below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your progress in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.